guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a homecoming makeup look on my daughter. I'll be doing a glitter silver cut crease. So I'm just brushing her brows and I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color chocolate. I'm also using their brush in 7B. I'm just following the natural shape of her brows and filling them in. I do not fill in the brows completely because I don't like my brows to look so harsh. So we're going to just fill them in to look natural as possible. And then I'm going to repeat the same step on the other eye. Now I'm going in with LA Pro Concealer in the color Fawn, and I'm just cleaning up her brows with that concealer. So now I'm just cleaning around the brows, and now we're going to go in with that same concealer and place it all over the lid. And then we're going to blend that in to make it look seamless. And I'm using the Real Technique brush to do that. Okay guys, so I'm going to apply the Too Faced Hangover Insurance Primer. If you guys watch my makeup tutorials, y'all know this is my favorite primer, hands down. Oh, she got a dance for y'all. We gonna blend that in. Blend that primer in. And then we're gonna go to her eyes. And I'm using the Bossa Crayon. And I'm going in with that color 10 for the transition color. And I'm just blending that above the brow. So I'm just going back and forth with that tan color, trying to build that color up so it can pop underneath her brow bone. So I'm just blending that in really good. Now I'm just going in with that color brown from the Bossa Crayons, and I'm just putting that on the outer corner, and I'm just making sure I blend that in really good. I also will be dragging that color over, that brown color, into the crease. So you can see me doing that right now. And now I'm going in with a black from the Bossa Crayons. And I'm just blending that black in. You really have to blend black well because you don't want it to look too harsh. So that's what I'm doing. So now I'm just cutting her crease with the LA Pro Concealer Warm Honey, and I'm using the Morphe M421 brush to do that. So now I'm just going in with a silver color to place over the lid. So that's just going to be the background drop basically for the silver glitter. I don't know what color, it's just from a random little palette I had. So I'm just tapping that all over her lid. And then I'm going in with NYX glitter glue, and then I'm just placing NYX silver glitter all over the lid now. So now I'm just going in with NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner just to give her a wing. So this next step, I'm just putting on some mascara to prep her eyes for her lashes. You can use any mascara you normally use for this step. So as you can see, I'm just repeating the same steps as I did on her other eye. So now I'm just placing her lashes on. These lashes are from the Beauty Supply by the company Broadway. This is her first time wearing lashes, so I got some more natural looking lashes for her. So now I'm just going back in with that eyeliner, and I'm putting Too Faced Born This Way Pecan Butter on her face. This foundation is so bomb, y'all. Then I'm going to blend that in. And after we blend that, we are going to highlight. So I'm highlighting with LA Pro Concealer Warm Honey. So now I'm just going to contour with the NYX Wonder Stick. I really love this stick because it's very easy to blend, very creamy. So that's what I'm using. And then I'm just taking this sponge to blend her contour and highlight.
Nothing to be lurking. You make a like me, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis.
So I love the way this came out. So now I'm just going in with my Sacha Buttercup powder, I believe. And I'm just setting her foundation, setting her makeup. And I'm just blending that powder in. And then I'm just putting a black eyeliner under her eye and her waterline. And then I'm taking the Crayon Case contour palette and I'm just going in. I don't remember the color, y'all, but I'm going in with that color you just saw me go into, just to give her a more of, you know, a deep contour. Now to highlight, I wanted to do something warm and bronzy, so I'm going in with that color Trophy from that palette. And we're just going to blend that in on her cheekbone. So now I'm just going to outline her lips with the NYX Nutman Lip Liner pencil. And then we're going for a more nude lip, so I'm going to top the center off with a nude lipstick from MAC. I'm sorry, I do not remember the name of this lipstick, guys, but any nude lipstick will do. And then in the center, I'm just topping it off with a clear gloss, and it's just a clear gloss from the Beauty Supply store. You can use any clear gloss that you may have. And then we're going to set her face with the MAC Fix Plus setting spray. And voila, she is done. I think this look came out beautiful, very beautiful. This is her first full face beat. So this is the outcome. She's dressed and ready for homecoming. And I think it looked absolutely beautiful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I will insert some pictures at the end of her full outfit and a video so you can see the full look. Thanks for watching. Wake up and nothing's wrong.